Hey guys, Matt here with Carolina Coops, and today we are in Luray, Virginia. We are about 2 hours directly west of our nation's capital, up by the Virginia border. And just wanted to show off a small little but pretty cool custom job we just did. Basically, behind me is a run with the black roof that we just added on to probably close to 200-year-old shed that they converted into a duck house. And what the client wanted was to replace her old duck run right there, mainly because, and when I showed up I asked her, I said what was wrong with it, other than the quality and a lot of things, but the biggest concern that she hated about that was the headroom. So that was one thing I wanted to mention that I try to mention in a lot of videos. Doesn't matter if it's chicken run, duck run, whatever. Definitely something to consider when you're out shopping around, you're thinking about building your own coop. We love how tall our runs are. You don't want to walk in and constantly hit your head. It's very, very frustrating. So if you have one of those short coops, you know exactly what I mean. Anyways, basically what we did is we just showed up here. We put it on this existing 8-foot by 8-foot concrete pad. So the footprint of the duck run is 8 by 8. And I think mainly for looks, she wanted to have this cantilever out. So we came out about 24 inches. With the roof line here, which I think is a really nice touch. It looks really good. We've got the black roof, Carolina Coops white. And then I wanted to show you something on the inside real quick. Probably you haven't noticed it yet, but a lot of times we have customers that order run covers from us, polycarbonate run covers, and I never get a chance to really get it on video. So let's come in here and hopefully you'll see it, but the, right there. All the polycarbonate that we cut is on our CNC, and the reason why I like that is everything is pre-drilled. It's all identical, and what you do is you just screw the polycarbonate up to the inside of the run. You can put it on the outside, but it doesn't look as good. You can see it looks much better on the inside, and it doesn't look bad like plastic and tarps and things like that. They're not cheap, but boy are they nice. Again, 400 times stronger than glass, and a lot of people, and it brings up another subject, is we talk about temperature, and I am not a fan at all about adding heat to your coop. As long as you have consistency with temperature, but you got to block the wind chill, that's what you're trying to achieve. So in this particular situation, we have run covers on each side of the run, and that'll block the wind, but we'll still have a lot of consistency when the ducks come from their duck house out into this run area. Now, the other thing I wanted to show off really quick, which really has nothing to do with us, but when I first got here and I met with a customer, I just thought it was pretty cool. So let's hop inside the duck house real quick. And the client, unfortunately, she had to leave. I would have loved to have gotten her on video. But I just absolutely love this. Again, it's a very old structure, and what a great example to repurpose, have a lot of fun. And I was only in here earlier for like 2 seconds, and I said, oh my gosh, I gotta get a video. And I don't really want to poke around, but hopefully we get a good, camera guy go ahead and just kind of look around, see all the nice furniture, the baskets, the hanging baskets, the artwork, the stained glass windows. Just very, very functional, very easy. Again, this is for ducks, so you can hear them down there. In here, I'm gonna be a little nosy. Hopefully she doesn't mind. Just using an armoire. She's got some coop clean in here. If you ever seen that, it's not as good as industrial hemp. And actually, I think it's a lot more expensive, but it is a nice product in general for people that use it. If you're not familiar with it, just look it up. We love the industrial hemp. I think it's a lot better of a product. Anyways, I guess the point here is just using a piece of furniture, come in, sit down, hang out with your ducks, and enjoy this wonderful hobby. So that was it. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Definitely check us out at carolinacoops.com. And also, hopefully you notice there's no videos popping up. Please subscribe. It means the world to us. And, again, we're also on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram. But again, carolinacoops.com, 919-794-3989. Give us a call anytime. Thanks for watching.